Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you guys a few tips and tricks that I have learned as it relates to this Supermom layout or this dashboard layout. So as you can see, it's like little spurts of color that really annoy me, and so I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can cover up pretty much all of the color within the layout. So the dates and holidays sticker book is perfect for this undated extension pack because, well, it's undated, and well, the Happy Planner dates and holidays sticker book has plenty of dates and holidays within it, and that is where I got the little pumpkins and that October sticker. Now I'm starting out looking through like the new seasonal sticker book and the old seasonal sticker book for Halloween related stickers because I'm planning for the week of Halloween. And so I find that little spooky sticker, which I thought was super cute, and you can use really any full box that the Happy Planner makes to cover up whatever it is down in the corner. I know it changes, from week to week and from planner to extension pack, but you can definitely cover it up with a full box. I am going into productivity to find a sticker to cover up the purple because it's a little annoying. As you saw the tape correction, I was going to white out the purple, but I decided to maybe just find a cute sticker. So I tried to go with that bat, but it was covering up Monday, so I decided to just kind of 86 that whole situation, and eventually I go in with a little candy corn. But I did cut up the bat and put one wing on the right and one on the left. I thought that was kind of cute. So I am going in with that candy corn, and now I am going to add a to-do box. And I really love with this particular layout because it's really not a lot of space. Like, it's, because it's not a horizontal, it's not a vertical, really. It doesn't really fit either of those categories. But if you want to kind of use it functionally, one of my tips is to maybe just only decorate one half of each box. If you have to decorate every box, just do one half of it, and then you will have lots of space to add in to-dos and plans and all of that. I do add in a star checklist on Tuesday, a little ghost over on that full box because the full box says something about spooky, so I thought that would be like, kind of cute. I do add in just a little deco on Saturday and a carved pumpkin sticker on the 29th. Those are just kind of little functional stickers that I love using, but I did go in and pull out some of those little stars just to make a checklist. And I will plan in the end, just to write in fake plans, just to share with you guys kind of what it looks like. Now that box, that little color, that little burst of color that said focus, that was kind of annoying for me as well. So I decided to cover it up with a full box, and then I put a to-do box on top of that, and then I layered again with the bat. And then as you can see, I am strategically placing stickers on the right side of the layout, and I'm placing deco here and there, but not too much deco, so to prevent me from being functional and actually like using the planner to actually plan. I did cut up the spider webs and put those on either page because I thought that was cute. Now, instead of like a checklist for the calls/email section, I thought that I would just add in those little boxes, which in retrospect, maybe I should have cut off the little pointy part because that's just a little weird. But I did leave it there. Now, I had the bright idea to cover up this entire colorful box. I think that says Erin's box, because it was really the only little bit of, well, it's not a lot of bit. It's a lot of bit. It was the really the last color on the page that kind of was annoying for me. So I decided to use some white sticker paper. This is Avery label paper. That was a lot. From Office Depot. And FYI, it is much smarter to just mark the paper so you don't have to do all of that. But I was pretty much just eyeballing it, and it took way longer than what it needed to. But I decided to cut it down to size and cover up that entire box. I tried to put the October sticker back over top of it, but because I had tugged at it and all of that, it was a little hard to go back down. So while you can't really see it now, how annoying it was and like rough around the edges, it was, just take my word for it. So I eventually pulled it up and put down another October sticker. So as you can see, the Avery sticker paper is only like a little bit off because it's white, but it's not as white as the page of the Happy Planners pages. So it is off a little bit, but not too much. I decided to make that little, kind of like a fun little box, sort of. You know, I just kind of decided to go in and add a full box and some little quarter boxes in that cute pumpkin sticker. I also decided to add in some pay bill stickers and a pay day sticker. I'll add that in later. Because I was into that little layered look, I decided to add an orange note sticker and then a little to-do header for the to-do list or the checklist on Tuesday. And there you see me going in with that payday. So you can use that box for not only bills to pay, but also anything that relates to finances, really. So that's why I marked the payday. It was a fake payday, I think. Yeah, I don't think we got paid. Yes, we did get paid that week. Just kidding. Okay, going into my little stickers from iArtisans, I find that October sticker because I needed it to have like a white backing instead of a clear backing because I had ruined the page. And I don't think you could really see it, but take my word for it. And then what do? I'm flipping through sticker books. I'm kind of adding the last little bit. At this point, it has like a decent amount going on, but I thought that I still wanted to like completely 86 the idea of leaving any of the pre-made deco on the page. So I am covering up those little are those circles? No, they're like kind of check boxes. I'm covering up the check boxes with these little cute stickers that I pulled from the mini seasonal sticker book, I believe. And then I decided that I wanted to cover up that top part so that it doesn't say to buy, because most of us don't have that many things that we need to buy in a week. Well, I mean, we do, groceries, but for the most part, we're definitely not putting our grocery list right there. I mean, I guess some people can, but my grocery list when I go is way longer than that. So I decided to kind of just make it an important to-do checklist instead. And so at this point, I'm pretty much finished, just adding finishing touches. I felt that some of the days had not a lot going on, and I could stand to add a little bit more deco. You guys know I'm a functional planner, but it just wasn't really doing it for me, so I just continued on. And that's pretty much how I plan. I just continue on until I'm stressed because I've put down too many stickers and I need to take some up, or until it just looks good. It's just easy on the eyes. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going in with more stickers, but eventually I do call it quits. And at this point, I've kind of forgotten what all I did, so I'm pretty much watching this with you guys. But I am about to go in and add in the pen. And so this is what it looks like, all finished. I thought that adding the pen would be like a good look because you guys could kind of see what it would look like. And as you can see, I have plenty of white space. I also have plenty of deco, and I honestly love the spread. It is a fake spread. I'm not really using it. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.